Have you ever tossed and turned under a bright full moon, convinced the sky itself was ruining your rest? For years, headlines claimed science had finally proven a connection, until a massive re-examination turned the whole story on its head. In 2013, researchers led by Kajokin reported in Current Biology that around the full moon, people seemed to sleep a little worse in the lab. The finding went viral as science finally seemed to back up what everyone suspected about the moon. But here is where the story gets strange. In 2014, Cordy and colleagues re-analyzed sleep recordings from 1,265 volunteers across 2,097 nights. Far more than the original study. Looking at all that data, they found no statistically meaningful link between sleep and the lunar phase at all. So why did that first viral result happen in the first place? The 2014 team suggested the original effect was likely a false positive driven by publication bias. The tendency for surprising positive results to get published while null results sit hidden in a file drawer. In fact, they pointed to more than 20,000 sleep nights that showed no moon effect whatsoever. But just when the case seemed closed, a new twist arrived. Reopening the debate, a 2021 study in Science Advances found that people's sleep timing shifted slightly in the nights before a full moon under real-world conditions. Scientists genuinely still argue about it today, which makes the reality far more interesting than a simple yes or no. So does the full moon actually ruin your sleep? The honest answer is that the famous study couldn't be replicated, the largest analysis found no effect, and scientists are still actively debating it. If you sleep poorly on a full moon night, it is more likely because you expected to than because of the moon itself. The only way to know your real pattern is to track it yourself, rather than blaming the sky. Subscribe for weekly space weather science. And the only way to find your triggers is to track them. Do it free in the howarewe app, link in the description.